Uh, Mr. Usman Ali, the object of this meeting today is to have an interaction between the business communities of Tajikistan and Pakistan. I believe we have some 67 companies here from Pakistan today in different fields of textile, minerals, what else? Pharmaceutical growing sector in Pakistan. Huh? Logistics. Okay, that's news to me. So we have logistics as well. So.
पाकिस्तान ताजिकिस्तान मुश्तरका बिजनेस फोरम से वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान खिताब कर रहे हैं, जिसमें उनका कहना है कि मुख्तलिफ शोबों से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली 67 पाकिस्तानी कंपनियों ने इस फोरम में शिरकत की, जो कि एक खुश आइंद बात है।
Very resourceful country, and we envy that. You have cheap, clean hydroelectricity. In Pakistan, unfortunately, we have very expensive electricity. And so we hope that CASA 1000, which will be expedited, so that we can also benefit from your clean and cheap energy, hydroelectricity. For the business community of Tajikistan, Pakistan is a country of 220 million people. So that is a huge market. And we hope, and I invite you, our business community will invite you, and I assure you that we will facilitate you in every way. The more trade between the two countries, the more it will benefit both the countries. At the moment, our trade is minuscule. Mr. Usman Ali, you mentioned it's what, 80 billion? $80 million? $80 million means that there's a lot of potential. So I can assure you that we will be giving you all the incentives. The government's job is to facilitate. We're already trying to facilitate our own business community, remove all the hurdles in their way, making it easier for them to do business. And inshallah, you will find whenever you come that the government will do everything to make it easier for you to do business.
वो है कि बलूच खान साहब ग्वादर से हमारा रेल का ट्रैक जो मुल्क की तरक्की एक्सपोर्ट के लिए ताजिकिस्तान के साथ तुर्कमेनिस्तान से ग्वादर को लिंक ट्रैक रेलवे ट्रैक कोयटा तक होना चाहिए, सकर तक तो पूरा पाकिस्तान, और बलूचिस्तान में स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन, स्पेशल प्रोसेसिंग जोन 3 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मादनियात के शुबे में और ज़रात और लाइफ स्टाइक में। थैंक यू खान साहब।
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। आई एम तौकीर उलग, चेयरमैन पाकिस्तान फार्मास्यूटिकल एसोसिएशन। First of all, I would like to thank Ministry of Commerce and TDAP for organizing this excellent business forum, which has provided us a gateway, and it is paving the way to enter into CIS countries. In July, we went to Uzbekistan and Sri Lanka, and I would like to thank Prime Minister Saab for, taking special focus, and his presence has, not only for pharmaceutical, but for all other sectors have provided an opportunity to look way forward to expand our export. I would like to take this opportunity, because Deputy Prime Minister is sitting here, on behalf of pharmaceutical industry, we are all set to come here because we have seen during the last 2 days lots of opportunities here. We have already signed 4 MOUs today, and the request from the government of Tajikistan is that the best way to provide quality medicines from Pakistan is the speedy registration of our products here. It takes more than 2 years' time to get our product registered. So if you can help as a special case on this occasion that we are all here, if you can, help us to get our product registered on timely basis and at a faster pace, we will be able to bring quality medicine here that will not only increase the business, but it will also help your people.